Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video I'm going to walk you through an easy step-by-step guide on how to send USDT from Coinbase to MEXC account. So to get started with the guide and a straightforward process, so the first thing to do is to obtain your MEXC USDT deposit address. So to do this, log into your MEXC account via the website or mobile app, then navigate to the wallet section and select deposit. Search for USDT and choose the appropriate network, for example ERC, TRC or BIP. Copy the deposit address provided and ensure you select the correct network, as using the wrong one can result to losing of your fund. So it's very important to confirm the wallet address on the same platform for making the transaction. Then the next thing to do is to initiate the transfer from Coinbase. So log into your Coinbase account via the website or mobile app, depends on any of the version you have. So go to your USDT wallet and click on send. So paste the MEXC deposit address you copied earlier into the receipt fund and the recipient field, then enter the amount of USDT you wish to transfer. Review the network being used on Coinbase, which is primarily supported by ERC20 for USDT, and ensure they match the network you selected on MEXC. Then confirm the details and authorize the transaction. Then wait for the transfer to complete. So after initiating the transfer, it may take some time for the transactions to be processed depending on network congestion. So you can monitor your transaction status on Coinbase and check for the incoming deposit on MEXC, and that's it.